Hi, silly kitty. Did you find Mama? I was taking a picture of you knocking on the door. Yeah, hi. Were you knocking on the door? I was trying to get you on video. You wanted to go in. Should we go in? Bravo. Yes, Mama. Okay. Should we go in? Yeah? Yes. Hey. Wanna go in? How do you knock on the door, huh? How do you knock on the door? Are those your footprints? All that mud on our door. Bravo. Mama, let me in. Huh? There you go. What should we do? What should we do now that we're in? Leslie, your food? Have you got food? Yes, Dad. Mama. You got food? Here, lights. Good. Look, you got food, huh? You want more? Bravo. More food? Bravo. Okay, you're eating. Good boy. Good boy.